Namaste, welcome. My name is Tiina and I'm so glad that you're here. In this video, I'm offering a restorative yoga posture, which is a restorative shoulder stand. And this posture is very beneficial for calming the nervous system. Any restorative inversion where we lift up the lower body and lift up the legs can have an immediate soothing effect on the nervous system. So very beautiful for any time that you feel stressed, anxious, in need of rest, or even as a bedtime practice. Also wonderful for anyone who might be looking for an alternative to the traditional shoulder stand, which can be contraindicated for anyone with neck issues or any discomfort in the shoulders and neck. For this pose, I'm using 2 blankets stacked here, although you can also use a cushion or a bolster, a chair. Now I've placed 2 cushions on the chair, but you can also use a bolster on the chair. And I also have a strap handy. I'll guide us into the pose, and then we'll move into a gentle meditation to rest and simmer in the feeling of the soothing relaxation that occurs. So the first step here, after you've set up your chair on your mat or on the earth, some cushions or a bolster on the chair, and some kind of height here, which I've used 2 blankets again, but you're welcome to use a cushion or a bolster. What we want to do is shimmy up nice and close to the chair so the lower back is up on the props, and then let the legs come up and rest on top of the props. Your strap can also be used tied around the thighs. Tying the strap around the thighs is really lovely, as it helps to make sure that as you relax, as the body softens and relaxes, that the legs don't end up falling off of the props. Here we want the head and shoulders to be flat upon the earth, the pelvis and hips to be slightly elevated, and the legs to be lifted up over the chair and the extra props. As you settle in, take your time to make any little adjustments that help you feel a little more comfortable. Maybe you'd like to smooth out the upper back, or adjust the arms at your sides to be palms up or hands on the body. As you settle in, start to become aware of your breath, noticing the gentle waves of inhalation and exhalation flowing in and out through the nose. Welcoming the rise and fall of the belly and the chest as you breathe. And as you pay attention to the breath, it may start to slow down and deepen, feeling the belly, middle ribs, and upper chest expanding with every inhale. Each exhale, a long, slow release out, all the breath flowing back out again. Continuing to be present with this flow of the breath in and out. These deep, long yogic breaths are calming the mind, soothing the nervous system. You may even allow your exhalation to be slightly longer than your inhalation. That long and slow exhale signaling the parasympathetic nervous system's relaxation response. So you know it's time to relax, it's time to let go, it's time to be still. Each wave of breath carrying you to soften into the earth below, to rest deeply, soothed and nourished by this rest. And as you relax and let go, feel your whole body melting into the support. And as the legs and lower body are lifted, trust that this elevation, this inversion, this change of relationship with gravity is soothing the nervous system and soothing these legs and feet that carry you through your days. No need to hold up the rest of the body at this time. Letting any stagnant energy that may be stored in the feet and legs flow down, becoming nourishing prana that flows down the legs and into the pelvis, that flows through the whole torso, nourishing energy of prana, of life force. Continuing to rest and relax and be held here in the stillness. Letting your thinking mind soften and clear like an open sky. An open sky without a single cloud. Feeling this clarity and expansive awareness in the mind expands through the body, and your whole being rests here. At home in the stillness. Continuing to allow the waves of the breath to rise and fall. Perhaps each exhale slightly longer than the inhale. Resting at ease here, at home within yourself, at home in the stillness. Trusting that the nervous system knows how to move into the state of rest and digest. Trusting that there's an intelligence within you that knows how to restore balance. Allow yourself to surrender into this trust for the next few breaths. you're welcome to stay here and simmer in the sweetness of this relaxation as long as you need. And if you feel ready to emerge, become aware of your senses, noticing sounds and smells and the touch of the air on your skin, the sight behind your closed eyes, the shadows or light. Very gently, you might welcome movement into your fingers and your toes, or take a gentle, gentle stretch. Coming out of an inversion, it's very important to move slowly and to not rush into standing. So we want to take a nice slow transition. Here you might hug your knees into your chest to remove the strap and even give your low back a little massage, rocking side to side. So when you feel ready, you can roll all the way over off of the props to rest into a fetal position. Perhaps using your bottom arm like a pillow, tucking into a fetal pose, resting there for several breaths as you give thanks to yourself for taking this time. Or maybe you're still resting in the supported shoulder stand and you'll take your time to come out when you're ready. You may press yourself up. Come to a seated position, bringing a hand to the belly and a hand to the heart, closing through the eyes, coming home to the breath, offering peace from our hearts to all hearts. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here with me. Again, I'm Tiina. Thank you for practicing with me. If you are part of one of our living yoga teacher trainings, Embodied Wisdom or Moon to Moon Restorative, please do leave a comment and let me know. And let me know how you enjoyed the shoulder stand. Or anyone practicing on the channel, I love to hear from you in the comments. So please do leave me a comment. Let me know how you felt in this restorative inversion. And if you are interested in learning more about restorative yoga, Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga teacher training is a beautiful opportunity to align with the cycles of the moon and of nature, while also cultivating the tools to support yourself with deep rest practices, and also, if you choose, to bring this medicine to the world. The links are posted below for information about the trainings that we offer at the School of Living Yoga, myself and my co-teacher and partner, Ali Boothroyd, and our beautiful staff are all just so excited to share these teachings with the world. Thank you so much, and be well.